the iPhone 6 Screen Replacement Guide. For this project you'll need a pentalobe screwdriver, a Phillips 00 screwdriver, a case opener tool, and a printable screw organizer sheet. Start by turning off your iPhone. Remove the bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. Using a case opener tool, pry between the case and the screen assembly. Disconnect the battery. First, remove these two screws that hold down the shield, and then using your case opener tool, disconnect the ribbon cable. Next, remove the shield, removing these 5 screws. Once we have the screws removed, we'll want to disconnect these next 4 ribbon cables. And we can now safely remove the display assembly. Next, we're going to remove the home button plate and the LCD backplate, removing these screws. Next, remove the plate that's holding down the ear speaker and the front-facing camera. Next, we're going to remove the home button. To remove the home button, you'll want to press in from the top, pushing it in, and then using the pry tool, gently pry up the ribbon cable. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the LCD backplate, making sure that we don't tear the bottom ribbon cable that's towards the home button there.
Gently remove the ear speaker and the front facing camera. There's going to be some adhesive there, so you'll want to take your pry tool and gently pry it up from the display assembly. Attach the LCD backplate to the new screen. Reattach the home button. Now we're going to go ahead and reattach the home button backplate. Now we're going to reattach the front-facing camera and the ear speaker. Now we can attach the new screen to the phone. Reconnect the battery. Secure the new front assembly to the case. When you're assembling it, make sure you hook the top and then work your way down towards the bottom of the phone until everything snaps in. Install the two bottom pentalobe screws.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. All the parts and tools found in this video can be purchased from www.iPhoneshopusa.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.